guys, how are you all doing? My name is Aline, and today I'm here because I would love to talk with you guys a little bit more about tea burn. So stay tuned until the end of this video because I have some really awesome stuff that I would love to share with you guys about this amazing product. Alright guys, so the first thing that you should know about the tea burn is where you are going to buy it from. Keep in mind that you can only buy the original tea burn on their official website, alright? So to make your lives much more easier, I am going to leave the link to the Tea Burn's official website in the description box down below. Remember guys, that is the only place on the internet where you can get the original tea burn from, alright? So guys, what is tea burn? Well, just to explain really quickly, tea burn is a natural, 100% natural supplement that speeds up your body's metabolism when combined with tea. All you need to do is just take a packet of tea burn every morning and mix it into your tea in order for it to boost your health and energy. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Tea burn also gives you high immunity and lots of vitamins. It even helps the health of your teeth, giving you a healthier, whiter, and bright smile. Guys, remember, since this is a 100% natural product, it means there are no side effects and no contradictions, meaning that anybody can take it. However, keep in mind that once you start doing your treatment, you need to take a packet every single day. So every single day, you must mix a packet into your tea. I recommend that you take it during the morning because it does give you disposition and also a lot of energy throughout the day. If you just want to test the tea burn, you can know you should do just that. Well, you can test it for 60 days. And if for any reasons at all, if you don't like it or it's not for you, just ask for a refund and they will give you all of your money back. However, keep in mind that for this treatment to really work, it's recommended to take tea burn for 3 to 6 months because it's all natural, so it takes time for your body to get used to it, alright? But that doesn't mean it won't work. Tea burn really works, guys, and it's working for lots of men and women out there who want to be healthier and lose weight in a healthy manner without having to struggle at the gym, right? Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that you give tea burn a test. I'm pretty sure you're going to really like it. Go ahead and check out their official website right now. Thank you so much and I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Bye!